To celebrate the channel's 1,000 subscriber milestone, I decided to create a longer video showcasing a wide variety of birds, using some of the best footage that my new trail camera has recorded so far. You've been watching the Tufted Titmouse, a super cute and spunky backyard bird. I think this one knows he's on camera. He's giving us a view from many different angles. Here, two titmice, yes, that is the proper plural, are joined by a white-breasted nuthatch. Nuthatches are the only birds that can climb down a tree face forward. My local ones usually visit the feeder after the squirrels and larger birds have already taken most of the peanuts. This bird prefers to choose a whole peanut and fly off with it. Guess that one's no good. They'll clean up leftovers too, though. Listen closely for a typical nuthatch call in these next few clips. Big woodpeckers next door. What you're about to hear is characterized as a song rather than a call. Watch the fascinating body language as a nuthatch confronts a house sparrow. The bird singing in the background is a white-throated sparrow. That was a tufted titmouse. This next section features the red-bellied woodpecker, the most common woodpecker in our backyard. This is a male, identifiable by the red coloration on the crown. This is a female, with a grayish-white crown. Red-bellied woodpeckers often run into blue jays at the feeder. I have a theory that they watch the jay's behavior to find food. The two species do not get along well, but sometimes they tolerate each other. Here's a northern mockingbird, about to have some company. This is another female. That's an unusually polite squirrel. Here, a female faces off with an aggressive jay, but the social distancing helps with the conflict level. The jays in the tree seem to be waiting on the lady woodpecker. This isn't typical in my experience. Dang squirrel! The jays seem less intimidated by him than by the woodpecker. Watch the interaction here. The grackle tilts its bill, a competitive behavior I don't often see used with other species. The other blackbird is a European starling, an invasive species. And the blue jays are back. Red-bellied woodpeckers enjoy neck yoga. These next few clips show a variety of interactions with blue jays. Here's a nice close-up of a female searching for leftovers in an empty feeder. young doves scavenge peanut pieces as well. This woodpecker does not want to share. There are lots of cool blue jay calls in this clip. The aggressive male woodpecker is back. Dang squirrel! And the female again. This finale shows a common scene at the feeder. Here's a northern mockingbird again. This bird is a favorite of mine. I love its vocal flexibility and how their wings flash white as they fly. They don't come to the feeder much since I don't, and unfortunately can't, offer their preferred foods. They do have some mild interest in the peanuts, though. The foreground birds are house sparrows, by the way, another invasive species. The mockingbird seems puzzled by the peanuts, like he's thinking, is this food? Oh yes, it is. Here's a bright close-up of a mockingbird. Again, peanuts aren't his favorite. What's that in the tree? That's a white-throated sparrow, the bird who creates my favorite birdsong. They look a lot like the house sparrows from behind, but take note of the yellow coloration over the eye, and of course, the white throat. These sparrows prefer the safflower seed I scatter on the rooftop, but they'll visit the peanut feeder for scraps, like some other small birds. The clip right after this one has just audio of a white-throated sparrow, which you'll need to listen closely for over the female blue jays rattling. Here's some rare night vision video. Listen for the chirps. This is truly an early bird. Usually I only capture cardinals on night vision, and not very often. One last clip. The American robin shows up every now and then at the picnic table, where the main crow feeder is. These were the main birds I saw in my backyard when I was very little, so they hold a special place in my heart. In addition to their bright red breasts, I love the expressive white rings around their eyes. Once recently, I captured a robin couple at the picnic table, but there's not much video. Now this is possibly my favorite robin clip. First, he gets a drink at the water bowl. Then he decides to perch on the crow decoy. Close-up Grackle puffs, y'all. One of my favorite bird behaviors ever. I love the plumage. The foreground bird is holding that half peanut up like a prize. I'll close this video with some crow footage. You may have noticed that I said this video features 10+ species of birds. The thing is, I actually don't know the exact count of bird species in this video, and that will be a subject for a video coming soon. Some of the crows are adapting to the constant squirrel presence. Others, not so much. This crow is next level. Watch closely. Thank you everyone for 1,000 subscribers, and thank you for birdwatching. Watch the fascinating body language as a nuthouse